Hey writers, so it's Camp Nano and we have no time. So let's outline our novel, lickety split, get it sorted so we can get writing. Now, I am slowly discovering that I am a discovery writer who likes a plan and then likes to not think about the plan too much, discovery write, and then go back and reshape my plan to fit what I wrote. Let me explain by showing you how I plan lickety split super quick and get it sorted for Camp Nano for this new project. So this is the easiest way to make a premise. Now you see there's a lot of other stuff in this section of Novel Factory, but we are in a time crunch. So I'm not going to use every tool in Novel Factory. I'm just going to use sort of an overarching to give me a framework to go forward in Camp Nano. So the idea of my novel is I've got three friends, overprivileged friends, view a social post from their best frenemy, and she's run off with one of their husbands. Left to wonder which husband is a lucky boy, they enter into a dead service zone in the mountains for the day with no way to reach out and find out if their husbands are at home. Each one of them has reasons to suspect that their husband, they are forced to relive it through flashbacks. So this is the easiest way to make a premise. Now you see there's a lot of other stuff in this section of Novel Factory, but we are in a time crunch. So I'm not going to use every tool in Novel Factory. You can see there are tools here where you can add different plot templates, screenplay or short story. I am going to play with detective noir and romance because what I am writing is basically a whodunit, except it's who left, who cheated, who the husbands are sort of the dead body and the culprits, if you will. Husbands are sort of the dead bodies, and the narrator is the murderer, and she's also the femme fatale. So we have that, and then I've got the romances, and I have three sort of mini romance stories between these three partners and their husbands. Is I can have multiple novels going, flying downloaded version, which doesn't take a lot of room, or I can have it, as long as I have internet, running in Google. Google Chrome is one of the best ones to use it, and it's fantastic, and I love it. And the tech support is great. The team there is fantastic, and I love this this work through checklist of everything you've done with your novel from idea to publishing, with the helpful videos and the PDFs and all the tools you need and all these. It's so user friendly. I love it. It is an affiliate link. I appreciate you clicking it because it helps me out. It's a free trial. Give it a go. So there's a lot of tools. This character list goes on and on and on and on and on and on and on, and you can just go to your heart's content, but we are on a deadline, so we are going to be very quick about this. So I went into Canva and I used their app, create your own image, and that was just the fastest way. That's in the paid version, but that was just the fastest way to do it. You can always just use their stock images as well. Just type in 30-something woman with earrings or something to that extent, and then you get it, and that's really great. So what you can do here is you can link all of the characters to the characters that go. So because I've got different couples, I'm going to link them together, and I can also link them to different scenes, which is extremely helpful.